Multiple ways are available through which you can make your teeth straighter with no braces. If you are looking for replacement of braces, there are several other options available that can be used alternate to braces. And here they are. Invisalign is a transparent retainer that is effective to straighten your teeth without braces. They are specially made for people who want a quick and effortless orthodontic treatment. Aligners are attached for around 20 to 22 hours per day and can be. Dental veneers are artificial tooth shells used to cover your front surface of teeth. These shells are fixed to the front of your original teeth and look like real teeth. You can go with veneers if you don't want braces. They can help fix teeth that. A retainer is usually provided after the removal of standard braces. However, if you only need minimum teeth correction, you can straighten your teeth with a retainer alone. It is good to go with retainer if you need a minor replacement of teeth. A restorative crown can help cover or replace crooked or broken teeth, resulting in straightened teeth without any braces. They also protect teeth after root canal and can be used to fix cracked or fractured tooth.